man. I'm excited about this guy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no. Oh, wow. Oh, man. How about that? Look at that guy. I was so excited when I just walked up and seen this one working. So last night I came by and he had made quite a mess of this area. Look at the size of those front paws. Wow, look at that. He is a big dude. So I come by, he made quite a mess. I walked it all down. I'd been after this guy for maybe 2 or 3 weeks waiting for him to move in a good area. I came by last night and man, he had really tore up this yard. I'll show a video of what it looked like when I walked up tonight, and sure enough, right at the end, there he was digging away. I thought I missed him at first because it looked like he had a hole going off, but he had already turned back around and was headed back the other way. So how about that? God bless you all from the MOLiminator. All right, guys, doing a little Tuesday evening mole check here. You should see the runs that this guy has put up. He has went full bore here. Look at the size of how high that is. And then he went on back down here. So I'm gonna put my boot in a few of these places real quick. This looks pretty fresh. This looks really fresh. Now I'm gonna go back and start walking it all down. Try to get it back down. That grass will take back hold in that area. Get all this down as good as I can. And then I'm gonna hopefully come back in about 30 minutes. I like 15, but I have somewhere else I have to go check. I come back in maybe 15 to 30 minutes. Hopefully, I'll know right where this guy is. Wow, look at the size of that. Hopefully he's out here right now. We shall see.